In this video, we go fishing one of the most beautiful and unique rivers in the world. And let me just say, boy did it pay off.
I'm back, baby. I'm back, baby. Oh, big one. There he is. Oh, again, guys. Right on top of the water. This is insane. Bro.
Well, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is about 5:45 in the morning. Sun's already coming out, and we are out here at one of my absolute favorite spots, which is the river out in Jefferson, Texas. So we're gonna go cruise down this river, try to get on a good river bite. I haven't been out here in a long time, so I'm pretty pumped up about it. I don't know how good the bite is. The water's kind of been up and down with the rain we've been getting, so it looks like it just went down. Hopefully that'll be a good thing. I don't know. We will try to figure them out though and get on some fish. You guys stay tuned. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Let's get into it, guys. Right off the rip, I see some busting at the boat ramp. That's a good thing. Today's choice of energy drink, Green Monster, zero sugar. See what all this is about. Let's get it. So one thing I'm noticing right off the bat before I even get a line away is that there is no current whatsoever. I mean, it is just dead. A lot of times you want that current, especially in the river. You want that current to be moving, so it'll create those little yetis behind trees, bridges, whatever you have in that river. You want some kind of current to be whipping. Without the current, fish just aren't the same. But we'll try to figure these fish out one way or another. I'm gonna probably try a little top water, crankbait jig, got swim jigs tied on, got Texas rigs for some flipping, got everything I would usually throw at a river. It's been a hot minute since I've been out here, so I'm still trying to get my groove back. River fishing is completely different than any other fishing you will do. It's a whole different animal. Yep. Oh my gosh, what is going on? Oh, big one. He came out the water for it. He came out. This is how we are going to start the morning off, guys. With a freaking stud. Oh, yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, no. Don't go back in the water. Look at that, guys. Stud. I'm back, baby. I'm back, baby. I am back. Let me get my pliers. He came out of the water like top water and crushed it. I was about to pull it out, and I stopped it right in front of the boat, and he darted out and grabbed it. That is a good river fish, to be honest. Really good river fish. Bam, baby. Let's freaking go. Solid fish. Thanks, bud. Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. If you're wondering what I'm throwing, it is a Guggen square bill. Don't know the name of this color, but I really like it. There he is. Oh man, he's not big, but check out how beautiful this guy is. Check out how beautiful this guy is. Wow, the colors on him, gorgeous. It's the only reason I'm showing to you guys. Usually fish like that small I won't show them, but man, that guy was beautiful. Oh, again, guys, right on top of the water. I was literally trying to get a backlash out. That's another freaking take. That was even bigger. Oh my gosh, this is insane, bro. No way, that just happened. Literally just trying to get a backlash out. I don't know what's going on right now. Guys, we are gonna have to tie a topwater on for sure. Wow, this one's even bigger than my first one. Holy freaking smokes. Let's go. Oh God, look at that one. Heck yeah, good fish. Thanks, bud. What the heck is going on, man? We're gonna put you down for a second, even though you're catching them. But the way they're hitting it on top of the water, there gotta be something to that, if I had to guess. Now I'm thinking a spook just might be what I need. And I'm sure as soon as I tie it on, I won't get bit, but that's what my heart is telling me. I've got a frog tied on, but this crankbait is white with chartreuse, so I'm kind of thinking a fluke, or even a fluke, but I think a spook is going to be key. We're going to go with that old sexy dog. Big Sexy, my nickname. Oh, we got it. We got it. Let's go. Not a bad one, guys. Third solid fish of the morning. On the old topwater. Check out how he ate that. Usually, golly, they are just absolutely crushing it. There we go, guys. Not a bad one on the topwater. Thank you, bud. The way he crushed that. The way he crushed that. Oh my gosh, that's a fat fish. That spotted bass is fat. Better get my pliers for him. Oh. Look at the belly on that guy. Jeez Louise, he's about to explode. That was pretty sweet. That was pretty sick. Got some good current right here. Gotta be a fish in here. Yep. Oh, he came back for it. Oh, third time the charm. Oh my gosh, I can't believe. Oh my gosh, he came off that time too. Man, I was just saying how there has to be a fish here. I suck. I lost him 3 times. Oh, I think he got it. Oh, he had it. Check it out. Completely tore the worm. Jesus. Well, I think we're gonna end it right there, guys. We got the 3 H's going on, the hot, humid, and the hunger kicking in. So I'm gonna go ahead and call it right there. It felt good to be back out here on the river. If you guys enjoyed this river video, please let me know down in the comments, because I will come back. I do plan on coming back very, very soon. Now that I know that they're biting, I want to kind of start coming back out here like I used to, and trying to get on a good bite. So thank you guys for watching. Hit that like button, hit that follow button, hit that subscribe button, all that, and check me out on TikTok. I'm gonna start trying to go live, but I need 1,000 followers on TikTok. So please go over there, follow me on TikTok so I can start going live while I'm fishing. Other than that, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.